Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I'm here in the UK, and today we are going to be picking the winner for June's yarn giveaway. Just going to reiterate what we've got. So we've got what the prize is. The prize is 3 of these Batik Design Cotton Club Elise Cotton Gold in like lovely pinks and pink and mink, I will call that. It's not quite a deep brown, but there's beiges and different shades of pink. And so you get, there's 100 grams and it's 55% cotton, 45 acrylic. There's 100 grams, 330 meters, 361 yards. So you've got 6, 12, 18. So you've got 1,018 yards, 300 grams. So that will make something really nice. So you've got them. And then what have we got? And you always know I give you some notions. So this time you are getting a tape measure and some tapestry needles, a little pair of scissors that you slide up and it opens, which is handy to keep in your bag when you're traveling, you know. A crochet hook, 4mm crochet hook. I've said a tape measure, and you get some stitch markers. So they are the prizes, and all you had to do was leave the word, oh my gosh, I can't remember what the word is. I've got it on the calendar, I'll check. Excuse me. So yeah, so I just want to thank you all really for taking part in the giveaway. It is worldwide, and I think we should go and pick out find out who the winner is. Okay, so this is the video that I need to copy the URL. We'll go across to YouTube Random Comment Picker and paste it in, and then include replies, filter for duplicate users, and the word was batik, guys. The word was batik, B-A-T-I-K. And then we want to show, get comments. Let's see how many comments we've got. 179 of you said batik. Thank you so much, everybody. As you can see, 179. And we'll move across and we will pick the winner. Good luck, everybody, and thank you so much for your support. Oh, Sharon Troynier. Thank you, Linda, for your generosity. The batik yarn is beautiful. It will be nice if the yarn company named the colourway of each yarn. I have to wholeheartedly agree. I'm going to stop you here and I'm going to check that Sharon is a member of my channel. You can see, yes, I am. She is. Sharon's definitely subscribed to my channel. So congratulations, Sharon. Thank you so much for your lovely comment, and I totally agree the yarn companies should give the yarn colours. So Sharon, I need for you to add your to email me at this address. Email me your postal address and I can get your prize sent out to you. So congratulations once again. Thank you to everybody for taking part in June's giveaway. July's giveaway is coming the first Monday in July. As always, it's always the first Monday now that I've changed things around a bit. And yeah, So they are, all my giveaways are worldwide. Share with your friends, let them know. But hopefully I'll see you all back here on the first Monday in August, July. I'm getting above myself, aren't I? The first, let me think. Rephrase that, Linda. Rewind. So I have a giveaway on the first Monday in July. And the second Monday in July, I have another giveaway, and that's a sock yarn giveaway. But welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to become a subscriber, for liking my videos, for leaving comments. And not only am I on YouTube, I've got a Facebook group called Linda Simpson's Designs. I've also on Ravelry as, again, Linda Simpson Designs, and also on Instagram as what? You got it, Linda Simpson Designs. So thank you so much. Once again, congratulations to Sharon. Thank you to each and every one of you for coming here today, for taking part. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.